Hi students, very good morning to all of you. Today's topic is SI. SI means simple interest. So today we will learn about simple interest, principal, rate and time. So let's start. SI. SI means simple interest. So first question is, what is simple interest? What is simple interest? Now this is person A and this is person B. Suppose this is Arnav, this is Arnav and this is Ram. Okay, Arnav gives rupees 1000 to Ram. Rupees 1000 to Ram. Okay. After some time, Ram will have to return 1000 rupees to Arnav. This is Ram and this is Arnav. After sometimes 1 year, maybe 2 year, maybe 3, 4, 5. Okay. So after 1 year, 2 year or 3 years, Ram will have to pay 1000 rupees to Arnav. 1000 rupees. But here Ram will pay some extra money. Some extra money. Why? Because of using this rupees for some time. Okay. So suppose he will pay rupees 50 extra money. Okay, 1000 rupees this and 50 rupees extra. So this 50 rupees is called interest. This 1000 rupees is called principal and this 50 rupees is called interest, means SI, simple interest. Okay, simple interest. Now let's start. Here question number first is given here. Question number first, principal is 1000 rupees. Principal is 1000 rupees. Rate is 10% per annum. P means per annum, means yearly. Okay, and time is also given here, 2 years. Principal, rate and time are given here. Find the value of SI, means simple interest. So look here, SI means P R T. P into R into T upon 1000. Principal into rate into time upon 100. So here principal is 1000 rupees, rate is 10% and time is given here 2 years upon 100. 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel. That means rupees 200. Rupees 200. So this is the answer. SI is 200 rupees. SI is 200 rupees. Now next question. Question number 2 is given here. P is 500. Rate is 2.5%. 2.5% P per annum yearly. Time is 2 years. Okay, time is 2 years. Same formula here. Find the SI. SI means P into R into T upon 100. So P is 500, R is 2.5 and time is 2 upon 100. Now look here, this is point here. This is point here. Remove this point. So This is point means 1. After point there is one digit 5. Okay, there is only one digit, so put here 0. That means this will be 500 into 25 into 2 upon 100 into 10. Okay, now here this 0 cancel out here. 5 2s are 2 2s are. That means 25. That means 25. SI is rupees 25. Got it? Okay, good. Now, next question is question number 3rd. Question number 3rd, principal is given here rupees 400. Rate is 10% PA per annum. And time is 2.5 years. 2.5 years. Find the value of SI. So, first of all, solve this. 2.5. So, here 2.5 means 22. 22, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. 22, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. Means 5 upon 2. Improper fraction. This is mixed fraction and this is improper fraction. Improper fraction. So here we get here 5 upon 2 years. Okay. 5 upon 2 years. Now here SI equal to P into R into T upon 100. P is 400 and R is 10. This is 5 upon 2 whole upon 100. Now look here. This will be 400 into 10 into 5 upon 100. This 2 will be here. Okay. Denominators 0 0 0 0 cancel out here. 2 2s are. Now here this into 10, 5 into 10, 50, 50 into 2, 50 into 2, we get here rupees 100. Rupees 100 here. That means SI is rupees 100. Okay. Now next is question number 4. Question number 4 is principal is 400 rupees. Okay, and R is 10% PA. Time is given here 2 years, 2 years, 3 months. 2 years, 3 months. 2 years, 3 months. So first of all, we have to convert this into years. 1 year equal to 12 months. One year equal to 12 months. So look here, 2 years, 3 months. Okay, so write here 2 years plus 3 upon 2 years. This cancel. 1 upon 4, 2, 1 upon 4. 2, 1 upon 4 means this will be 9 upon 4. Right here 9 upon 4 years. Okay, now SI equal to P into R into T upon 100. P is 400, R is 10% and time is 9 upon 4 upon 100. So here 400 into 10 into 9 upon 100 into this will be here 4. Denominators 0 0 0 0 cancel out, 4 4 cancel out, 1 here, 10 into 9 we get here rupees 90 as simple interest. Okay. Now next okay, suppose this is SI. Now here listen one more thing here. Amount equal to principal plus SI. Amount equal to principal plus SI here. So here amount is 400 and SI is 90. Principal is 400 and SI is 90. So this plus this 490 rupees. This total is called amount. Principal plus SI. Principal plus SI is called total amount. Okay. Now next question. Question number 5th here. Given here SI. Now here SI is given here. Okay. Rupees 200 and principal is also given here 1000 rupees. Rate is 10% PA and we have to find out time. What? Time. So look here. Simple interest equal to P R T upon 100. Right? Now value of SI is here 200 equal to P is 1000 into R. R is 10%. Time is what? We don't know. So write here T upon 100. Okay. So here write here 200 by changing the side, cross multiplication. So 200 into 100 upon 1000 into 10. 1000 into 10. And here remaining here T. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 cancel. This cancel. Remaining here 2. So time equal to 2 years. Time equal to 2 years. So this chapter is overall clear, I think. Thank you very much. All the best.